Hi guys, it's Stu here from 3B, and here is my review of the Optoma ML330 that Optoma sent me to have a fiddle with, have a review. So first of all, we're just going to have a look what's inside. I've already sort of peeked at this already. We've done a bit of a video on that. But the key thing about this is that it's ultra portable, and you can sort of take it round to your friends and show off that you've got this tiny, teeny, tiny projector. So as you can see, it's really, really very small indeed. So small, in fact, it's about the size of my hand. You know, it's a little bit bigger and weighs about half a kilo. So as you can see, it's really small, it's really compact. One of the things that Optoma are saying about it is that it's sort of wireless, so you don't need to connect it to lots of cables and lots of devices, which kind of makes it super portable. So you can sort of take it around to friends and you can connect your phone to it and have, I believe, which is the things we're going to test today, have what's on your phone then sent to this and then beamed onto your wall. So we're going to do just that. I've got a projector screen, so we'll project it actually onto a projection screen. But it's so small. The lumens on it are, from what I can tell, it just says 500 LED brightness. Now I'm not too sure exactly what they mean by that. Is that 500 lumens, or is that, you know, just some jargon they've made up because it's not actually measured in lumens? Who knows? It's got a contrast ratio of 20,000 to 1. So that's not too bad. Throw ratio is 2 to 1 or 1.2 to 1. So that's to be expected. I'm half expecting it not to reach too far, so I imagine it's something that I would sort of put on a desk and project relatively closely to the projection screen or the wall in which you're firing it to or from. But you know, you're not going to get a great deal of that from a device such as this. It's something that's super portable that you can take with you on holiday and just sort of keep the kids happy by having them have something that they can mess around with and use wherever you are, whenever you are, be it in a caravan or in a hotel or whatever. And it's also pretty good for presentations, I would imagine. There's lots of connectors at the back: USB 3, HDMI, standard USB and Ethernet. It connects wirelessly as well. It's got Bluetooth, so it can connect through Bluetooth to any audio speaker, Bluetooth audio speaker or headphones, which they've also sent me. So we may do a combined review of those. So yeah, but I'll do that separately because that's something different indeed. So there it is. It's pretty cool. You get a pretty sort of average remote control, which I can't get out of the box. But yeah, you know, there's your remote. It's okay. And the price of it, I did look on Amazon, and they're about £400, which is about, sort of, say, I give or take, say $500, but it's likely to probably be the same in dollars, certainly right now. But yeah, so we will have a good look at it. We'll have a good old play, but it's teeny tiny. It's so small. You could put this along with your laptop or notebook or tablet or whatever you want to sort of connect it to, and you wouldn't really notice this as being part of it. It's got an adapter and cables and what have you, so that's a whole bunch of other stuff you would have to consider carrying around with you. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with how small it is, how portable it is, how well made it feels. It doesn't feel cheap or nasty, but we'll see how it performs, and we'll try and connect it to, I've got a tablet I'll try and connect it to, because I'm actually using my phone to record too, but it's a Samsung S3 tablet, so we'll see if it connects to that and see if we can then have this beam some wonderful, marvelous content from my phone, and we'll see how it goes. So look out for part 2 coming up next.